this video, we're going to be learning how to fix login error in Peacock. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or mobile data, however you prefer, and make sure it's connected to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. After that, you want to go to your preferred browser. I'm using Chrome here. After that, you want to open your browser. And here at the search bar, you want to type in Peacock over here. Tap on Peacock and enter the website. And you will see a login page which will look something like this. Here you want to type in your email and password. And if you don't remember your password, you can simply click on forgot password and follow the prompt from there to recover your account. And by simply typing out your email and password over here, you'll be able to log in into your account. However, if you're facing any other kinds of problem on the application, you can simply uninstall the application and install it again. And if that doesn't solve the problem, you can simply restart your device and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment down below.